How does this phrase sound to you, Ambassador Caroline Kennedy? We first saw her, of course, as the president's daughter with the irrepressible smile. But now, could she be representing America in Japan? ABC's David Muir with the late-breaking story.
Diane, great to see you tonight. And ABC News has learned, in fact, that this move could be imminent. Caroline Kennedy, very likely the next ambassador to Japan. The White House wouldn't comment today, but we did get sort of a hint from Caroline Kennedy herself that she'd be willing when we sat down with her not long ago.
ABC News has learned the White House has talked with Caroline Kennedy about the idea of becoming U.S. ambassador to Japan. The president expected to nominate her to the post, and we've learned she's expressed a willingness to accept it. A post we asked her about when we sat down with her just a couple of weeks ago.
I'm curious, what does Ambassador Kennedy sound like to you? Is that something you'd be interested in?
I've supported the president for, since early days. So, that would be great. Nobody's asked me, so, just have to see what happens.
But you'd be open to it?
Yeah, I'd be open to, all kinds of things.
There have long been questions about Caroline Kennedy's political aspirations. The daughter of JFK, her childhood images now iconic. That talk about her future reaching a fever pitch not long after she campaigned for President Obama during his first presidential campaign, sharing the stage with cousin Maria Shriver and Oprah. Not long after, Kennedy briefly exploring whether to run for Hillary Clinton's Senate seat.
What did you learn from that? And did it close the door for you in your mind, or are you still open to it?
It was actually a great 2-week experience that, everyone's still asking me about. So, I believe in public service, and I admire people who do that. So, we'll see what happens.
Before his death, her brother, JFK Jr., had never ruled out completely running for political office. Tonight, though, the focus again on Caroline, as she awaits a possible call from the president.
Hi, how are you?
In the meantime, focused on her new book, a collection of poems, remembering that little girl looking to impress another president, reciting that first poem to her father.
I was about 3, and I do remember reciting it for my father.
And you can still hear to this day the applause when little Caroline.
Little Caroline, yeah, still, hoping to get that, reaction.
Caroline Kennedy is 55 now, a mother, a lawyer, and author, and she quietly volunteers in New York's public schools. One of her more recent projects, helping students with their college applications. She actually goes on visits to college campuses, but very soon, Diane, her travels could take her to Japan.
Stay tuned, as we say. Stay tuned. Thanks, David.